Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustubh. We are back with another video, and guys, in this video, as per the title, we will be taking a look at the Gcam mod performance on the OnePlus 3T. So basically we'll be clicking the same photo with both the apps, and I will do a side-by-side comparison so that you can get all a brief idea as to how much the performance is and how like the photos just look amazing with Gcam. That's what I would say. So do watch the video till the end guys, and also make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and also turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And as per the drill guys, without wasting any further time, let's roll the intro and let's get the video started. So guys, this is the first image that we have here, and in this image, in this frame, as you guys can see, on the left we have the photos clicked with the Gcam mod, and on the right we have the photos clicked with the OnePlus camera app. So the photos, if you take a look at both of them, then you will immediately notice that the photos clicked with the OnePlus camera app has a warm color temperature, whereas the photos clicked by the Gcam mod has a cold temperature, like it is quite white and bright white, I should say, like the color temperature is cold in here. And also the details and the sharpness is much better in the images captured by the Gcam mod. As you can see in this leaf here, you can see all the minor details, the details of the veins, as well as all the minute details are still present. It has retained very well with a bit of depth of field, whereas in the OnePlus camera app the details are not that much. It seems that the camera has overdone the softening here, but then too the image is presentable enough. But if you ask for my choice, I would personally prefer the first image, that is this one, because it has a lot of details. Taking a look at the second image guys, in this I have shot the Rubik's cube here, and it has a lot of colors on it, so we can get a color idea as to how the color production is with both of this camera apps. Again, we have seen the same trend in this photo also, that the color temperature is what is only varying between both of these photos. The photo clicked by the Gcam mod is having a cold color temperature, whereas the photo shot with the OnePlus camera app has a warm color temperature. So that's the only trend, and I don't know if it is only with me, but I am observing that the yellow color scene with the Gcam mod is more natural. It looks like sort of, but whereas the yellow color produced by the OnePlus camera app seems a bit of a brightish color, like it is not looking like the original color. So that's the only gripe. Otherwise the photo is perfect too with the Gcam mod. Coming to the third image guys, in this I have tried to click some outdoor photos from my room itself, because I can't go outdoors due to this whole lockdown situation. But nonetheless guys, in this photo again we are seeing the same trend of cold and warm color temperatures, but if we zoom in into the Gcam photo, then we can clearly see that the sharpness is pretty good. Like the image, even after zooming in to this level, the details are still there. But whereas if you take a look in the OnePlus image, then there is a lot of noise, as you can see, like there is a lot of picture noise, and the image looks a bit soft. The sharpness is lost somewhere. So, and also the color temperature is warm in this image too. In this next image guys, I have clicked the picture of my RGB keyboard, and as you guys can see again, this photo is also demonstrate the color reproduction as to how both the camera process colors. The colors with the Gcam look way better and way well exposed. The contrast is really good. Saturation is also good enough. So I would prefer the photo clicked with the Gcam mod. Whereas on the other side, if you take a look at the photo clicked with OnePlus camera, then it is again a warm color tone. So if you like that, you can also go for that, or you can also go for Gcam too. Talking about this next image guys, this photo was shot at night, and as you clearly can see, the photo with the OnePlus camera is clearly not that great. Like it has a lot of noise. The photo is also quite blurry. The details are not there only, so there is no point in looking at that photo. It's a shitty photo. But whereas if you take a look at the photo with the Gcam mod, it is looking perfect. Like it was shot with the nightscape mode on both the camera apps, but the one on the Gcam mod is working absolutely wonders. Like as you can see, it looks really well exposed, as well as the lights have been captured beautifully. It looks quite presentable enough. In this photo guys, I have clicked my fire extinguishing system of my building, but here the photos look quite balanced. Like both of the photos, I should say they look pretty good enough. Like there is not a major color temperature shift as we have observed in the previous images, like the cold and the warm thing which was going on. This both the photos look pretty well exposed, so it's up to you which image you like. Again, in this photos guys, we can see the similar trend to the fire extinguishing system. Both the photos look pretty well exposed. They look pretty similar in all terms, like in contrast, in saturation, in details. Both the photos look absolutely well exposed. So that's what I'm trying to say, is that like if you give the OnePlus camera like good lighting conditions, then it can perform well. But if there is a low lighting condition or in artificial lighting, it just really can't keep up with the Gcam mod. So this photo was clicked just after a heavy like a downpour, I should say. So in this we can clearly see, again we are observing that trend of warm and cold photo, but the one clicked with the Gcam has a lot of details, I should say. Like if we zoom in, you can see all the windows and everything, the cloud capped skyscrapers as well. So whereas in the OnePlus camera, if we can zoom, so here as you can see there is a lot of noise. After zooming in, the details are lost as well. So the photo with the Gcam mod again wins. In this second last photos guys, I would like to demonstrate the saturation. So as you can see, the image on the left is with the Gcam and on the right is with the OnePlus camera. And again the saturation is really good. Like the color is really punchy and the contrast is also really punchy in the Gcam image, whereas in the OnePlus camera image, if you see, then the image looks a bit dull due to this warm color reproduction, I should say, because due to that the contrast is also not that there, and the details are also lost somewhat. Whereas in the Gcam one, you can clearly see that the details are still there and the image looks a lot better. So that's about it guys for this video of camera comparison of the Gcam mod version 7.3 with the OnePlus camera app. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do like it, then please do hit the like button down below, and also do get subscribed to my channel for more such awesome content. This is your boy Kaustubh from T2E signing off. You guys have a great day.